Okay, good morning, 10th class student. Let us continue with our revision part today, children. As I had given you all certain questions related to your history yesterday, today I'll be giving you all certain important questions related to your geography chapters. Okay, so you may note it down, and whenever you get free time, you all can take it as a test. Do it and evaluate yourself only. Okay. Now, the first question. All the four classification classify the resources on the basis of ownership, origin, exhaustibility, and status of development. This is the first question. Second, is important. Explain why development of resources is important and explain resource planning. Two things are included in this. Okay. Next is and land conservation. What do you understand by land degradation? Land degradation and land conservation. Next, red and yellow. Next question, classify soils. That is alluvial, black soil, red and yellow soil, laterite soil, and arid soil. Next question. explain soil erosion and soil conservation. Next question. How is land used for different purposes, or how land is put to different uses? Okay, so all these are related to your chapter 1. Classify resources on the basis of ownership, origin, exhaustibility, and status of development. Second question, why development of resources is important? Explain resource planning. Third question, what do you understand by land degradation and land conservation? Next, classify soil, that is alluvial, black, laterite, red, yellow, and arid soil. Next, explain soil erosion and soil conservation. How is land put to different purposes? Okay, all these questions are of 1 mark, sorry, 5 marks. Is that clear? So when you prepare these 5 mark question, your 1 mark question and 3 mark questions automatically get prepared. This is all related to your first chapter. I'm getting now and I'm heading into the questions of the second chapter. Okay, second chapter. Okay, children, note it down. Describe different types of farming. Intensive, primitive subsistence farming, then commercial farming, sub part of commercial farming is plantation agriculture. All you have to describe. Next is your write an account of wheat and rice cultivation. Okay. Next question is your short note on pulses, oilseed, sugarcane, tea, coffee, millets, rubber, cotton, jute, maize, and horticulture. I think I have covered every topic, but if I have listed out, please you include that also. Then explain the technological and institutional reforms which were introduced in agriculture. Again, these are all 5 mark questions for your second chapter. That is agriculture, chapter number 4. Next is your note it down. Okay, pay attention. Pay attention, children. This is your chapter number 6, that is third chapter, manufacturing industries. The first question is, discuss the importance of manufacturing industries. Very, very important question. Next is, classify industries on the basis of raw material, main rule, capital investment, ownership, bulk and weight of raw material and finished goods. All the categories. Next question, short note on cotton textile, jute textile, sugar industry, iron and steel industry, chemical and fertilizer industry, aluminum smelting, and IT, information technology. Next, how industries pollute the environment. Next, what steps should be taken to minimize environmental pollution caused by industries? 5 questions are there, all very important. Short notes, I can understand it can be lengthy, but you have to learn it. Okay, next is your chapter number 7. Chapter 7. First question. Pay attention, children. Chapter number 7, that is Lifelines of Indian Economy. First question, how roadways has preceded railways. Okay, this question can be also asked, why roadways has an edge over railways. How can we classify roads? All the classification, national roads, state roads, district roads, then border roads, then Rajiv Gandhi Sadak Yojana, whatever it is. Okay, then there is short note on road density, airways, pipelines, tourism, as well as national waterways. Next is how construction of railways is influenced by economic, administrative, and physiographic factors. Very important. Give an account of the major seaport, again very important for 1 mark questions. Explain communication, that is different modes of communication, personal and mass communication. Then you have got the 6 mail channels. Then you have got the first and the second class mail. Then next, explain international trade by touching on 2 topics, that is balance of trade and import and export. Okay, whenever you get free time, children, please try to do these questions. Questions are given separately of each chapter. So when your 1 chapter is completed, you can take out that questions and attempt those. So it will be a kind of self-revision which you all can do. Is that clear? Tomorrow, let me see what we are going to do. Okay, till then, I'm going to end the meeting now.